must have switched cars around. It was in a different spot before here. It's pretty quiet. Oh, I just noticed there's some more quiet car in this section. I didn't see that earlier. Okay, oh well. But tomorrow morning, if I see that the train is gone, take some freight away out of these few tracks here. And I know maybe for the eastbound Valley job and one of them in case for tomorrow. Yeah. Okay, as I'm just finishing here, folks, just coming down from the overpass here, just a quick go up SRY again. I'm just gonna swing around to the hang a right. When I walk down this way, I'll swing a right and then another right, and then just walk down to get to the northbound side from this side here. Walking to the northbound side now, finished with the southbound side. Okay, so I'll be soon. Then I turn right on this side. I'll be just up above here somewhere. Film different angles.